Congratulations on receiving your new RankineCycler steam turbine power system from Turbine Technologies Limited. This short video will discuss the uncrating, setup, and operation of your new system. The unit will arrive in a large crate like you see here on a truck, and it will require a forklift to drop it off the truck onto the ground level. From there you can take a pallet jack like we have here. You can transport it to the lab or wherever you need to have the unit. Start the process, when you get the unit to your lab, start the process by looking at the uncrating instructions that are on the front of the crate. And it'll be very helpful if you read these instructions first. Then after that, we will start the process by removing all the screws that you see that are surrounded with a red spot here. So let's do that right now. Okay, once you remove the screws, you can just remove the front door and set it aside. From there, you can open up the plastic that's covering the unit to retrieve some of the items that were stored below the unit for shipping, including your important documents folder, which includes your operator's manual and software, your data acquisition computer, and the fill drain beaker, which we'll look at here in just a couple of minutes. Once you have removed the items from below the unit, there's going to be 3 clips that you're going to have to remove to allow you to extract the unit from the crate. And as you see here, what we're using is just a socket wrench. And you'll have to remove these 3 bolts. You see there's a clip here, there's a clip in the back, and another companion clip on the side. So we want to remove those 3 clips first. Once you have the clips removed, you'll still have these little bolts sticking through the side of the crate. What you want to do is take a hammer and lightly tap those out. That backs them out of the way so they don't snag the leg of the unit as it comes out. And while you're down here, you might as well take the brakes and unlock them. Right now, braking the wheels. That way they'll allow you to roll those wheels right out of the crate. For this next part, you'll need to call in a helper to assist with this process. We're going to call in Bob from the factory here to help. Bob, come on in. What we have to do is, as you see, the wheels are firmly implanted in the unit with some devices that hold them in place. What we need to do is actually lift the unit up and get those wheels out of those holders so we can pull the unit out of the crate. So Bob, why don't you go ahead? I'll lift the front. You can turn those wheels in the back so that they're positioned so that we can pull it out. Okay, so now you see the wheels are all above the holders now, so we're going to be able to just pull it right out of the box. Once you have those wheels removed from the holders, now it's time to slowly wheel the unit out of the crate. So Bob and I'll grab the unit from the front end, very carefully pulling it forward. And very easily pulling it out of the crate.